Hi kids, welcome to Fun Kids Play. Today we will be doing a mini pedicure. Your mommy will prepare some warm water, salt, lemon juice, and also some shampoo. Now we're going to wiggle our fingers so we can get all the foam, and put your little feet into that water. I'm adding in the lime slices, and I'm going to get a pedicure brush and just rub, scrub their feet, scrub all the germs and the dirt away. Guys, this is so nice of your mommy to take time out and scrub your feet to give you this wonderful mini pedicure. It is so relaxing. So you have to thank your mommy every single day. Now I am using the lime slices to rub on the feet and give it a nice massage. We are now changing the water. We're putting in some clean, warm water to rinse the feet. And I'm going to pat the feet dry with a nice, warm, clean towel. Your mommy can use some body lotion to rub on your feet to give it a nice massage. Pull those toes, pull the toes, stretch them, give them a nice massage and make that little princess feel special. Now we are at the final part. We will be giving those little toes a nice shimmer and shine with a clear base coat. Wow guys, look at these clean, beautiful toes. Mommy did a wonderful job. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Well kids, I hope you enjoyed this video and let your mommy give this a try. And guys, I will see you in the next video. Fun Kids Play!